Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Due to the rising level of the Ocmulgee River from the rain we've had in Middle Georgia recently, Macon-Bibb County announces the following areas will be closed starting tomorrow. Boat ramps on the north and south end of Amerson River Park, dirt trails around the pond in the park, the paved trail between the Overlook and North Boat Ramp in the park, Spring Street Boat Ramp, and the Ocmulgee Heritage Trail. The county says these areas will remain closed until the river level recedes and any cleanup needed is completed. Now, people using the rest of Amerson River Park the next few days are asked to avoid any areas that are marked off, as more may be closed as the river continues to rise.